Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So I just have a wee little haul, not too much stuff because, well, the budget wouldn't allow, but I did find a couple of new things and some things that I have desperately been looking for. So let's just jump right in there. First of all, I know this is not exciting, but I found toilet paper. I was almost out of toilet paper. I was panicked. Went to Aldi's. They did have some, but a four pack of this similar brand toilet paper, not even the name brand, but same count and everything, was almost $11. Y'all, I got 4 of these. They had a limited 2, but there was a new guy stocking the shelves, and I asked him if there was a limit, and he said he didn't think so. So when I got the checkup, the girl started taking my toilet paper and putting it in a bag, and she said, "There's supposed to be a limit of 2, but I'm going to let you have this." And so I got 4 of these for $4, not $11. Y'all, I can't tell you how excited I was. Now, I only probably need like 2 of them, so if my neighbors or somebody that I know needs toilet paper, I will definitely share the other ones. Then, something surprising that I found. I usually check the food items and stuff before I go to the grocery stores or anything like that, because you just never know what's going to be on Dollar Tree shelf, and today was no exception. Now, I usually buy Simply Nature at Walmart, sometimes Aldi's, even Food Lion has Simply Nature, but I found this at Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, look at this. Chicken bone broth. Yes, ma'am, look at that. Chicken bone broth. I was floored. But anyway, I was amazed. And then I found, now I was hoping for the beef bone broth, but I did find beef broth. And these are organic, no carbs. I mean, whew, yes, I was excited about that because I use this a lot. And on my keto channel this week, I'm going to be making some creamy Mexican soup, and this is going to be the start of it, so don't forget to go over there and check that out. Now, I also got a little pack of batteries, and I got these batteries for a specific item. This is a new item. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before. It's a desk lamp. Look at that. Now, this is really cute. It doesn't look very big, but it extends pretty big. You know, if you're doing some work or something, look at that. And it's got the gooseneck, you know, flexible gooseneck. It's LED. Let's see what it says. Oh, I don't have my glasses with me. But it says great for home or office, flexible, foldable, and portable. And it takes 3 batteries. I think I have an extra one around here somewhere. 3 AA batteries, but it puts out 100 lumens of light. So I was really thrilled about that. And let me get through the rest of my haul and we'll go look for a battery. Then I was on the health and beauty aisle because I was helping my brother look for something. And I did find this lip gloss duo, lip duo. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful shade? It's just gorgeous. And I saw one of the people that I watch on YouTube for Dollar Tree hauls is Thrifty Tiffany. And she's a riot. She just hit a milestone of 40,000 subscribers. She's having a huge giveaway. So you should go over and check her out. I'll leave her link below. She's just an awesome person. She's a single mom, and she loves Dollar Tree as much or more as I do. And she's just so funny and so real. But this is beautiful packaging. It's LA colors. It's just beautiful. I'm going to hand swatch it. I've been looking. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but I've been looking for some because that's the lip shade color. I don't know if you can see that. Beautiful. And then it comes with the lip gloss that goes on top. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, and it smells good. It smells like bubblegum. Does it say it smells? Nope, it's just called Glamorous Lips. It's lip gloss and lipstick duo. And this is called Brilliant something rouge. I can't see because I don't have my glasses. But that's a beautiful color. And y'all, it smells really good. Okay, I'll quit sniffing that. Then I've been wanting to put together a little notebook for my my keto stuff, because I try to spiral bound notebook. It gets all messed up and everything. And, you know, Dollar Tree carries these little notebooks, but I found this one in this beautiful pale pink cover. Yeah, I'm going to alter it a little bit, but I don't have to paint it because it's just a beautiful shade of that dusty rose pink. So I found that. And then, you know, our stores don't carry a lot of the Crafter's Companion stuff. We're getting more of it in, but not a lot of it. So in that health and beauty aisle, when I was looking around, I saw these little things, and they're called soak off nail caps. And basically, these are little silicone caps that you put, soak a cotton ball of acetone, and you stuff inside, and then you, oh, they must be like layered here, and then you stick your finger in, but they're silicone, and they have small ones, and I thought, you know what, they look a little weird, but oh my gosh, they fit my fingers. And check it out. These are the two I would most often use, and they fit my fingers. And these would be great for my hot glue gun that keep from burning my fingers all the time. So they give you 4. You get, let's see if I can even see. You get 4 of them, and they have them listed on here. Okay, so you get 2 large ones, or 3 large ones and 2 small ones. Excuse me, but they fit all your fingers perfect, even your thumb. So I was really excited to find those, and I'm going to give those a try. Put those in my little arsenal now, since I can't find those other little fingertips. These might not be quite as thick as those, but they would definitely, they're thick enough to protect your finger from being severely burnt by hot glue. Okay, so now we are going to test out this light. And just excuse me 1 minute. Put my hands on another battery. I'm hoping this one works, because I don't know if it was an old battery and I just stuck in there, because, you know, sometimes I do that. But I know these are new. We're going to check out and see how bright this light is. I'm excited about this little light, because sometimes I need extra little light when I'm crafting and I don't want something harsh or big. So let's just see how this works here. If it doesn't work, it's because I got a battery that obviously isn't any good. But I'm hoping all 3 of these batteries are good. Let's see. Should have grabbed my glasses when I was up, because I can't see how to put this thing back on. Okay. Well, there we go. Alright. Well, nope, it fell off, but I'll fix that. Look at, oh, I don't want to blind anybody, but look at this. This is awesome, and it really works. And it really illuminates. Look at that. The difference just from right there. Wow, way to go, Dollar Tree. I like this. So, that's a win for that one. Alright, you guys, I really appreciate you tuning in to me today. I don't know why this doesn't go back on. It's got a little piece of extra plastic right here. It might have gotten like, there we go. Let's see if that'll go in there now. Don't know what is the problem. But, you know what? I don't have to have the bottom on it. I'll make it work. There we go. Okay. So, really cute. I really like it. That's a Dollar Tree win. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I know I just had a little tiny haul, but you know, pretty much I'm not getting out that much except to go to the store for essentials. And honestly, you know, while I'm in Dollar Tree, I did see some other really cute stuff in there, but I just really didn't have it in the budget this week to pick it up. And so maybe I'll go into the one Dollar Tree that lets me still film, and I'll just take some shots of some of the new stuff I saw. Some of it was like these really pretty butterfly candle holders. Thought about Jackie Newton when I saw those, and really not a whole lot of other new stuff, but just a lot of spring and summer Mother's Day stuff they were putting out. This was a win for me today. The beef broth was definitely a win for me today, and the chicken bone broth. So anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. I will see you all again soon, I hope, with another Dollar Tree haul. I know I haven't been doing a lot of them lately, but it's just because, you know, budget dictates and essentials only. This was essential because everybody needs to feel pretty once in a while. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time joining this crazy channel of mine, please think about sticking around by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell where you should be notified by YouTube every time I upload a new video. If not, I'll try to post my videos on Instagram. You can follow me over there. I also have a Facebook group, all with the same name of Crafts and More with Donna Jackson. Thank you guys. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.